Hello everyone, my name is Nick McDonald. I am the Technical Support Manager for Flux.
And this is Juana Petito-Maville, Lead Support Engineer for Flux.
Today we're going to be looking at using Flux to design a typical managed file transfer workflow. Often, with a traditional managed file transfer solution, it can be difficult or cumbersome to integrate with other tasks and systems. Flux remedies this by offering a simple, easy-to-use workflow design model, allowing your managed file transfer operations to be efficiently integrated with other applications, databases, and systems. Workflows are quick to configure and easy to maintain, saving you valuable operations staff and developer bandwidth.
This fully automated workflow design allows Flux to manage your transfer tasks with no user intervention required. There's no maintenance or monitoring required. Once the workflow is configured, Flux will handle the rest for us.
Flux provides a high level of security and encryption capabilities, both when your files are in transit across the network and at rest on the file system. Flux also provides cross-platform file transfer support without requiring any special software to be installed on your remote file servers.
A typical MFT workflow in Flux might consist of a few steps like those you'll see on the screen now. Here, we're watching an FTP server for files to appear, then processing each file one at a time by sending some information about the file to a database, and finally moving the file to another server.
With this unified workflow model, Flux ensures that your file transfers and related tasks are simple to configure and is able to execute them faster and with greater accuracy than a traditional MFT solution.
If an error occurs anywhere along the way, an automatic email notification is triggered to alert users that a problem has occurred.
Email alerts are simple to set up. Just give Flux the name of your mail server, the addresses that you want the alert to originate from and be sent to, and optionally any username or password information your server requires. The subject line and message body of your email are completely customizable and can contain any combination of static or dynamically generated data you require, ensuring that your operations staff get exactly the information they need to handle errors when they occur.
Configuring MFT operations in Flux is just as simple, with its powerful and easy-to-use web-based editor where you can specify where your files are located and where they should be transferred to. Here, we're configuring Flux to watch an FTP server for files to arrive. Flux can also monitor SFTP, FTPS, and UNC servers, or even watch for files to appear on the local file system, including map drives and virtual directories. Flux's robust support for a wide variety of protocols and file systems ensures that Flux will work for you on the systems where you need it.
Flux can also monitor files whose names contain date and time components, including relative dates and times, like today, tomorrow, yesterday, or even last year. These powerful but simple to configure time expressions allow Flux to locate files with any timestamp your organization requires.
After our files have arrived, Flux will collect some information about them, including the name, URL location, size, and timestamp, then pass that information along to subsequent steps in the workflow. We can use this information to process our files or send some information about them to another system.
Here we see how easy it is to use that file information within another workflow step. In this case, we're sending the name of the file to a database using a simple update statement. Using this same technique, we could also pass the file name to a native processor command, a web service call, the body of an email alert, or even an ETL tool like Informatica or Data Services. This simple, dynamic substitution model allows for faster development of managed file transfer tasks with no scripting required, and provides much greater flexibility and ease of use than traditional MFT solutions when integrating file transfer operations with other systems. Once this workflow is all put together, Flux will automatically monitor our FTP server and perform all of the file processing steps we've configured.
Have a question about MFT in your environment? Stumped on a recurring error? We want to hear from you. Give us a call anytime with your questions to learn more about the features centered around managed file transfer, download a free trial version, or arrange a live demonstration with our team. Thank you!